Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about financial forecasting. Dr. Renu Sharma this side, Assistant Professor in Department of Commerce, SD College, Ambala, Kent. You must be knowing about the three-step process of determining organizational goal. One is planning, budgeting, and forecasting. Let's recall it. Planning is what? Financial planning can be defined as the process of determining company's financial direction and expectations for the years to come. It is a continuous process of directing and allocating financial resources to fulfill strategic goals and objectives. What is budgeting? Financial budgeting is preparing a plan quantified in monetary terms and approved prior to a specific period of time. In this, we show the planned income to be generated and expenditure to be incurred during that period and the capital to be employed to achieve given objectives. Right? Next is forecasting. Forecasting can be defined as the process by which the predictions are made for some future conditions. In this, we will learn about forecasting in detail. What is forecasting? A forecast is the prediction of the future based on a certain set of circumstances that could be related to the past or present data. Forecast is an initial step in financial planning process. It starts with predicting the future events that will have significant impact on the firm's business and its success or failure. It is an estimation of future events in advance and forecasts the future funds requirement and its utilization. In other words, forecast will lead to setting up of goals of firm and translating the goals into operational plans for action. Right? So forecast is what? That is prediction of future events or circumstances with the help of past or present data and analyzing or setting the goal of the organization and translating those goals into operational plan or you can say plan of action. Next is financial forecasting. Financial forecasting is an act of predicting the future economic conditions on the basis of past and present economic conditions. It concentrates on the estimation of the most likely future financial events. It is a mere assessment of future event and conditions in advance. Financial forecasting is a technique to analyze the economic, social and financial forces affecting the business with an object of prediction of future events. So financial forecasting is a process of estimating future financial requirements of a business, and it is based on the assumptions and estimates like sales forecasts, production forecasts, cash forecasts, etc. Right? Now we will learn about the need for financial forecasting. Why financial forecasting is being needed. One is for need for planning. That means financial forecasting is being needed for proper planning. Financial forecasting helps financial manager in planning for his future course of action. With the help of financial forecasting, a financial manager can plan the requirement and usage of funds over a period of time, which helps manager in taking the decision about the different source to be used in future. Then is dealing with uncertainty. Financial forecasting reduces uncertainty as well as risk in the business. Though risk cannot be eliminated by financial forecasting completely, but it is beneficial for a company to have a better understanding of what the future could hold. Next is forecast of earning. Financial forecasting helps in preparing of projected income statement, which aid the management in estimating future profit of firm. Now we will learn about the features of financial forecasting. One is it is and the estimation of future events. So forecasting is the estimation of future. It is based on the analysis of past and present circumstances. That means the financial forecasting, we analyze the past and the present data, and with the help of this we predict the future. It foresees the possible changes in order to bring accuracy and exactness in management decision making. Right? It is not an end in itself. It helps in financial planning. Right? It evolves the various statistical techniques by which conclusions are drawn by various experts. With the help of financial forecasting, we devise some statistical tool, and with the help of those statistical tools, we predict the future. It minimizes risk and uncertainty. Financial forecasting certainly minimizes the risk and uncertainties, because with the help of forecasting we can predict the future. Next is benefits of financial forecasting. One is helpful in minimizing the uncertainties of future. As we know, future is always uncertain, and forecasting is an effective tool with the help of which we can predict the future economic conditions. Forecasting helps in minimizing the uncertainties of the future with respect to sales, production, pricing, capital requirement, profit, expansion, and government policies, etc. Next is helpful in establishing a new business. When we are going to start a new business, a number of business forecasts are required, like demand for the product, future sales, availability of raw material, price of raw material, sources of fund, capacity of competitors, etc. The success of a new business depends upon the correctness of such forecasts. Next is estimating financial requirements. If there is lack of accuracy in estimation of financial requirements, the business may suffer from overcapitalization or undercapitalization. Then is formulating plans. The future estimation of various factors is essential for proper planning. Forecasting provides the necessary information and the data for proper planning. Next is helpful in managerial decision making. Financial forecasting provides estimates of costs, profits, sales, production, capital requirements, etc., which helps the management to take correct decisions. Next is encourages better cooperation. A proper coordination among various departments is required for establishing proper forecasts for the business as a whole. Optimum utilization of resources. Financial forecasting projects the requirement of funds and utilization of funds in advance. Thus, it ensures optimum utilization of resources. Ensures success in business. Success of business depends upon accurate prediction of future course of events. Systematic forecasting ensures that the operations of the business will go smoothly. Then is control of cash flow. Financial forecasting gives the manager an estimate of future cash flow, which help him in designing cash management policies. Next is identifies potential risk. Financial forecasting helps in identifying and also quantifying potential risk for the company. And this risk can be managed by effective risk management techniques. So this is all about the features and benefits of financial forecasting. Next, we will learn about the scope and techniques of financial forecasting. Thank you. Have a nice day.